Wondering if a ductless air conditioning is right for your Minneapolis and Saint Paul home? There's just one name to top your list: the Home Service Plus team at CenterPoint Energy, Minnesota's largest provider for replacement cooling. As a Daikin Comfort Pro contractor, you can expect they'll match the right unit to your home, ensure proper placement, and provide a professional installation. With Daikin, you get a broad product selection, some of the highest energy efficiencies, and one of the best warranties in the business. A Daikin Ductless Air Conditioner can cool one room, one area, or the whole house. Many homeowners report savings of up to 50% on their utility bill. You may even qualify for rebates. Who will you turn to for Ductless AC in the Twin Cities of Minneapolis and Saint Paul? The experts at Home Service Plus, of course. Get a free consultation. Call today, 612-344-9123.